Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable notifications for syncing updates to files on Google Drive. If you've ever missed an important update to a shared file, this quick guide will help make sure you never lose track again. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you'll find all the behind-the-scenes controls for your apps and notifications. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the section called Apps. Tap on that. Next, look for Google Drive in your list of installed apps. Tap it to open the app-specific settings. From here, you'll see several options, but what we need is the one labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, inside the Notifications menu, you'll notice another option called Notification Categories. This is an important step because Google organizes its notifications into different types, making it easier for you to customize what you want to see. Tap to open Notification Categories. Once inside, scroll until you reach the section labeled Other. Under this category, you'll find an option called Syncing Updates to Files. This is exactly what we're looking for. Tap on it. At this point, you'll see a toggle switch that controls whether notifications for syncing updates are allowed or not. If it's turned off, you won't get any alerts. To fix this, simply toggle on Allow Notifications. That's it. From now on, you'll get notified whenever Google Drive updates the syncing status of your files. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with a team, having this enabled means you'll always stay on top of your file updates without needing to constantly check the app. Keeping track of what's happening with your cloud files is essential, especially if you rely on them for work, school, or important projects. Just by turning on one simple setting, you can stay in the loop and save yourself the stress of missing a critical update. So, now you know exactly how to enable Google Drive syncing updates notifications on your phone. Thanks for watching.